Take a magical 3-minute journey to Chiapas, Mexico, where nature unfolds its masterpiece, the stunning Cascada Azul. Tucked away in the lush Chiapas jungle, this natural wonder is like a precious gift from the earth. From the beginning, the camera captures the peaceful surroundings, the calm flow of Cascada Azul, and the vibrant colors of the jungle. The green plants surrounding the waterfall add a sense of mystery, inviting you to explore a world that seems frozen in time. The highlight of the video is the breathtaking Cascada Azul, where clear turquoise water gracefully flows down mossy rocks, creating a mesmerizing display of colors. Sunlight dances on the water, making the scene look like something out of a fairy tale. Several layers of falls with various heights and 50 to 80 meters wide. The river's azure is ethereal and mixed with the white foam as the water cascades over the rocks, presents a unique spectacle of color. There are also areas below the falls marked for swimming. The journey ends with a wide view of Cascada Azul surrounded by the Chiapas jungle. The camera captures the grandeur of this natural wonder, leaving you amazed by the beauty of this hidden corner of Mexico. Azure Cascades is not just a visual treat, it's a celebration of nature's beauty and a reminder of the importance of protecting these special places. Whether you're looking for peace, inspiration, or a virtual escape, this 3-minute video gives you a brief but enchanting look at the timeless allure of Cascada Azul in Chiapas. Special credits now. Big thanks to Guillermo from Dronny store in Garland, Texas, for sharing this stunning 4K drone footage and making this video possible. Muchas gracias, Guillermo, for bringing this incredible view to the world.
Lejano rumbo al sureste, se pasa la vecindad, la dulzura de su gente, seguro te cantarán. Nos vamos hasta Cocingo, Altamira, Chilón, y las ruinas de Palenque, la gente de su calmón. Si la frontera te gusta, visitas a Comitán, donde encuentras mil amores y hasta te enamorarás. Tómala con su gente, la bachula es un calor, con la de ese puerto al estar, de buscar bailar el camión.